Hello there, and welcome to Recorder Karate with Mr. Groom, who chum. Now today, we're learning the red belt piece, which is Minuet by Johann Sebastian Bach. Now, Johann Sebastian, or JS, as he was known to his chums, was a pretty spectacular guy, and he had 20 children, all of whom were black belt recorder. If you went to his house, it probably sounded something like this. Wow, that was insane. So, moving on to the piece, we have 3 new notes to learn. The first of which is high E. Now, you'll remember that low E is this. Okay, now watch carefully because I'm about to play a high E.
Wait a second. You didn't move your fingers. How did you do that, Mr. Groom? Was it magic?
I can tell you it wasn't in fact magic. What I was doing is I was moving my thumb at the back, so instead of covering the whole of the hole there, it was only covering half of the hole. And that's a technique called pinching. So if I play a normal E and then pinch my thumb at the back, it will change to a high E. Let's try an exercise going from low E to high E. Okay, once you've got the hang of that, you can start learning our next 2 new notes. The first of which is high F sharp. Now, some of you may want to jump the gun here and think, well, I know what a low F sharp is. And if I just pinch the thumb, then I'll get a high F sharp. Oh dear, that didn't work. That's because it's a different fingering for high F sharp. You have to take the 4th finger off. So that is the fingering for high F sharp. So low F sharp with the thumb fully covered at the back, and high F sharp with the thumb pinched. Low F sharp, high F sharp. Low F sharp, high F sharp. Okay, and the final new note is high G. And this note is the same fingering as low G, just with the thumb pinched. So low G and high G. That's moving the thumb there from covering the whole hole to covering half the hole. So this is the only instance in Recorder where you don't cover the whole of the hole. As well as C sharp, actually. So we're ready to play our piece now. I'll try and come so you can see what my fingers are doing, but obviously you won't see my thumb when it's being pinched and when it isn't, so you'll just have to work that out for yourself. Here we go. And there you have it. That's the red belt piece, Minuet by J.S. Bach. Happy practicing!